Welcome to Finance Investor Lab. Bitcoin is down 45% in February 2026. Is it time to buy or sell? Today, we look at real data, predictions, what to do, and where to invest for potential profit. This is educational only, not financial advice. Crypto is high risk. Always DYOR and never invest money you can't lose. First, the current situation. In February 2026, Bitcoin is trading around $70,000, down from 100,000 plus highs. Reasons: stronger dollar, ETF selling, no new positive news, and risk-off mood in markets. Step 1. Will Bitcoin go up or not? Analysts say low-end $50,000, high-end $150,000 by end of 2026. Some, like Bernstein, say 150 cash from institutional buying. Others warn of more drop if recession hits. Step 2. Buy or sell strategy. If buy, dollar cost average. Buy small amounts every month. Limit to 5 to 10% portfolio. Buy on dips if you believe long-term growth from adoption and halving cycles. If sell, if you think more drop coming from regulations or macro risks, take profits now. Use stop loss to protect gains. No one knows for sure. Markets are unpredictable. The key is risk management. Never use leverage you can't afford. Step 3. What should you do now? Assess your risk level. If you need money soon, avoid crypto. Diversify. Don't put all in Bitcoin. Learn basics. Use reputable exchanges like Binance. Set TPSL. Stay updated on news like USA, Iran, China tensions, which could cause volatility. Have a plan. Decide entry, exit points in advance. Step 4. Where to invest for more profit? Options besides Bitcoin. Altcoins like Ethereum or Solana if you think they grow faster but higher risk. Stablecoins like USDT for low risk while waiting. Gold or stocks if you want diversification. Gold up 50% in 2025. Index funds for long-term stability. Again, this is education. Research each before investing. Potential profit comes with potential loss. To wrap up, Bitcoin's future is uncertain in 2026. It could go up or down. Focus on strategy, not emotion. Comment below, buy or sell Bitcoin now. Like, if this helped, subscribe for more 2026 updates. Check full resources in description. Thanks for watching. Stay smart.